In English, we could say, I'm sorry, I don't understand. The equivalent in American Sign Language is... All right, let's learn how to sign this. Here we go. The first word is sorry. It looks like this. All right, we could sign I sorry, but it's kind of unnecessary to sign I because if I'm going like this, it's kind of obvious that it's me, that who's sorry, right? Sorry. So the hand shape is the letter A, all right? How do we make the A? Fingers down, thumb along the side, just leave it like that. Palm facing in. Now make a circle. If you're really sorry, you need to overemphasize, keep going. Keep being sorry. Sorry. Or just, okay, from the side, sorry. Other side, sorry. All right. Some people sign sorry using an S in the alphabet, sorry. In this course, to be consistent, we're going to stick with the A, sorry. All right, sorry. All right, good, good, good. Moving forward, don't understand. Notice how it's up here. Understand is capital letters. That's the sign we're going to be using. And don't over there is lowercase letters, but it's connected to understand. So let me show it to you, and this is what it is, all right? Don't understand. All right, so we're not doing a separate sign for don't, but we're communicating with our head that something's not right, right? Okay, so the sign for understand is like this. Use your index finger and you're just making a flicking motion up, palm facing towards you. Understand. Understand. From the side, understand. Other side, understand. From the front again, understand. Now in this situation, we're trying to convey the message that we don't understand. So as you're going like this, shake your head. Kind of a useful, universal signal for it's not making sense. Understand. At the same time, you can put a confused expression on your face. Now contrast that with a robot expression where you have no expression at all. You'll be understood. It just looks a little strange because humans, especially deaf people, they use facial expressions like crazy because it's such an efficient way of communicating the situation, right? Okay, so don't understand. Don't understand. From the side. Other side. Okay, good, good. Let's do the whole sentence. Here we go. All right, again. From the side, here's what it looks like. Other side. All right, here we go. A couple more times. Okay, so in English, I'm sorry, I don't understand. Even in English, we put a facial expression. We're not like, I'm sorry, I don't understand. We put inflection in our voice. So think of inflection in spoken English like facial expressions in sign language. They're essential for clear communication, all right? So English, I'm sorry, I don't understand. In American Sign Language, all right?